Your value is not simply your ability to create 3D models or 2D documentation. You add value to your company by considering the efficiency of your design. Can I meet my client's brief with fewer components, with less machining? Could I make more efficient use of our stock materials? Design automation is the ability to automate tedious everyday tasks so that you can focus on where you add value most. Autodesk Inventor iLogic enables design automation with simple rule-based configuration, built on the existing intelligence of your model. iLogic is a programming language for non-programmers. Capture your design intent by selecting which parameters, rules, or iProperties you want to make available, and drag and drop them onto your form. No programming required. Additionally, add text and pictures to your form to help communicate your design intent to your wider team. Save time on quotations or new product introduction by using iLogic to automate the configuration of your designs. Increase quality by using iLogic to standardize your procedures. Prevent errors by building error checking directly into your model. Your rules can be stored directly in the document, making it easy to copy your automation as you copy your design. Focus your attention on value-add activities by automating your repetitive administration tasks. Invest in design automation to standardize your procedures, eliminate repetitive tasks, and focus your time on where you can make the most impact with Autodesk Inventor's iLogic functionality.